Boil apple with 3 laurel leaves and you will never want to use another recipe. This is a very powerful natural remedy. In addition to being delicious, they can provide numerous health benefits. That's why many people tend to consume it more frequently. In order to maintain a healthier lifestyle, now we know for everything that the apple tea with bay leaves. Number 1 will help improve vision. The combination of apple with bay leaves can help prevent macular degeneration and protects vision as we age. Number 2 reduces inflammation and joint pain. Bay leaves contain eugenol, a substance with anti-inflammatory action, and as a result, the regular consumption of this tea helps reduce inflammation throughout the body, especially the joints and back as well. It is indicated to regulate blood circulation, headache, and migraine. Number 3 strengthens the immune system and fights respiratory conditions. The apple is rich in quercetin, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory action. Halogen presented in bay leaves acts as an antioxidant, in addition to the third rich in vitamin C, which helps the body to develop resistance. It also helps in protecting the body from illnesses such as flu and colds, and thanks to the antibacterial power it has, it allows you to get rid of phlegm from the chest. Number 4 reduces bad LDL cholesterol. The apple has a soluble fiber called pectin, and it is found in the skin of the fruit. However, to obtain its benefits, you should not remove the skin of the apple, otherwise the benefits of the pectin plus bay leaf increases good HDL cholesterol and reduces bad LDL cholesterol. Number 5 is good for the heart and fights hypertension. The bay leaf has 0 cholesterol and is rich in compounds such as rutin and salicylates, caffeic and polynutrients. These substances contribute to proper functioning of the heart and prevent the development of heart disease, and anxiety, stress, and blood pressure reduce significantly by drinking apple laurel tea. Number 6 treats kidney stones. A study conducted at the University of Medical Sciences in Tehran, Iran, found that the bay leaf helps reduce the amount of urease in the body, meaning the plant has the potential to help treat kidney stones. Number 7 controls diabetes. According to a study at Pakistan Agricultural University, bay leaf helps reduce and control glucose and cholesterol levels in diabetics. This is due to the polyphenols present in the leaves, as they are excellent antioxidants, and the consumption of an apple a day reduces the risk of developing diabetes by 28%. Number 8 prevents aging. The apple has several antioxidant benefits, which acts to fight free radicals, thus protecting the body's cell against agents that cause premature aging. Number 9 fights against asthma. Because it is rich in antioxidants, the apple helps protect the lungs from oxidative damage. Number 10 improves brain function. The apple is also good for the brain due to quercetin. The antioxidant helps reduce cell death caused by oxidation and inflammation of neurons. How to prepare the recipe. Ingredients: 3 bay leaves, an apple, a liter of water, a sliver of cinnamon, and optional honey. How to prepare. First, wash the apple well, since we will use it for everything, and peel it. After this, we cut it into small pieces, add the water to a pot, and bring it to a boil. When the water is already boiling, add the bay leaves together with the cinnamon. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Finally, add the apple pieces and turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Once ready, strain and add in a serving container and sweeten with honey. You can take a cup of this tea in the morning on an empty stomach and another before going to sleep. Give us a like and remember to share this recipe with all those people you think might need it. We wait for you in our next video.